Cornhusker Bank is a $625 million bank. It's a community bank here in Lincoln, Nebraska. We've been in Lincoln since 1960. Originally, we were in the town of Davie, just north of here, and the bank's been chartered since 1903. We service full service mortgage, retail customers, business customers, commercial real estate, private banking, wealth management, and insurance. And we have a market reach that goes from Lincoln to Omaha and about a 3-hour circle around those two cities. Combination of having the latest AV equipment in the building along with functional technology that allowed us to present through the AV our messages and our communications to our clients. One of the things we do every day is we meet with our clients and we talk through life, and we do a lot of different types of planning. As we're doing that, it's very important that we not only have great reliable equipment that handles that process, but it's also set up where it creates a great experience. Bizco understood that from the get-go in terms of what we were trying to do with both our employees and our associates as well as our customers, and they came alongside of us and they architected a great solution that we could not be happier with.
The Cornhusker Bank project was unique in several ways. They had several different types of rooms and AV systems between a community room, training rooms, 3 different conference rooms. We worked with several different VP rooms as well, corner offices, things of that nature. They have an extensive digital signage set up kind of throughout the building. Working with their team went really well as far as integrating with their IT systems. Overall, the project went off very well. At the end of the day, being able to provide the client with something that they will be able to work with for many years and provide them with a system that can invite the community in, as well as their customers, as well as their internal staff, is really what we were striving for.
What typically happens when you get into an IT AV situation is a lot of finger pointing, and they're so integrated now where the AV is tied into the network and so forth. If you don't have one provider deliver those things, you're going to have trouble. You know, you're going to be pointing to the other company that's doing the AV and blaming them and so forth. And people see it every day, right? They want one throat to choke. They want one person or one company responsible for a solution, and that's what we can do.
When you walk into a building and you try to use AV equipment, immediately you have to call IT support because you can't even figure out how to turn the projector on. Bizco solved that problem for us up front with the type of interface that we had from a user experience, but also from the type of experience that they had and what works well from making everything a single push button was so simple. You have all this technology, but to be able to set it up into presentation mode and be able to deliver that immediately, that sounds like a little thing, but I will tell you, a lot of times in a big project, it's the little things that bring the best value.